Hi, I'm Dan Dobbins, and I'll be showing you how to make a bracelet. The first thing you want to do is measure out the gimp string. So just have a ruler and measure out roughly 16 inches worth, and then cut it. Once you've measured out about 16 inches, just measure out another piece using the same string, and then cut that also. Once you have the two pieces of gimp cut to the same length, make a knot at one of the ends of the gimp. You want to leave about a little more than an inch off the end, and then you're going to do that another time. Now that you have your knot, start adding beads to the other end of the gimp. And for this bracelet, I'm going to be adding some special beads that spell out my name. And once you have all the beads on that you want, just do what you did in the beginning and do the two knots to end it off. Make sure it's the knot is close to the beads so the beads don't shake. This is what the bracelet looks like before I tied it. Well, before I'm going to tie it. And now, just to end it, you just tie the two sides off and double knot it. Now that it looks like this, you can now trim the two edges so it's not as long. And this is what the final product should look like. Gimp bracelet.